Meaning of exfoliate.
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 Exfoliate. Exfoliate refers to the process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. This can be done using physical or chemical methods, such as scrubs or acids. The result is smoother, brighter skin with a more even texture and tone. Exfoliating regularly can also improve the effectiveness of other skincare products, as they can penetrate deeper into the skin without being blocked by dead skin cells. However, it is important to not over-exfoliate, as this can damage the skin's protective barrier and cause irritation.